German alphabets are similar to English alphabets, but the pronunciation differs. Let's get into the video. Lexion 1. We should pronounce it as Lexion. Lexion, which means lesson 1. In Lexion 1, we are going to learn das Alphabet, which means the alphabet. A. In German, we should pronounce it as A. A. This is letter B. We should pronounce it as B. B. This is letter C. We should pronounce it as Say. Say. This is letter D. We should pronounce it as They. They. This is letter E. We should pronounce it as A. A. This is letter F. We should pronounce it as Yef. Yef. This is letter G. We should pronounce it as Gay. Gay. This is letter H. We should pronounce it as Ha. Ha. This is letter I. We should pronounce it as E. E. This is letter J. We should pronounce it as Yacht. Yacht. This is letter K. We should pronounce it as Ka. Ka. This is letter L. We should pronounce it as L. Yell. This is letter M. We should pronounce it as Yum. Yum. This is letter N. We should pronounce it as Yen. Yen. This is letter O. We should pronounce it as O. O. This is letter P. We should pronounce it as Pay. Pay. This is letter Q. We should pronounce it as Ku. Ku. This is letter R. We should pronounce it as Er. Yer. This is letter S. We should pronounce it as Yes. Yes. This is letter T. We should pronounce it as Te. Te. This is letter U. We should pronounce it as Oo. Oo. This is letter V. We should pronounce it as Fow. Fow. This is letter W. We should pronounce it as Ve. Ve. This is letter X. We should pronounce it as X. X. This is letter Y. We should pronounce it as Epsilon. Epsilon. This letter Z. We should pronounce it as Set. Set. In German, other than alphabets, there are 4 more letters called umlaut. In next video, we will discuss about umlaut. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Bye.